Is your Windows operating system reporting the Quartz Library DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's resync your file architecture and restore your system integrity now. To start fixing Quartz Library manually, note that an official maintenance resource is also available to support system stability. This is the Quartz Library, the core library for the DirectShow framework, responsible for building filter graphs to play audio and video files. It manages the synchronization of media streams. Missing Quartz.dll is a primary cause of older media players, and some older games, failing to play intro movies, often citing video codec initialization error or a silent crash. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. This error is usually caused by corruption in Windows system files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and execute sfc/scan now to scan and restore protected files like Quartz Library DLL. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Quartz library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. To fix persistent errors with integrated libraries, you must ensure a clean file sync, and you should use a dedicated uninstaller to remove the host program along with its registry keys. Following this with a fresh installation of your software components ensures that the DLL file is properly mapped for the host program to run. Why are we doing this? Well, residual registry entries can point the software to the wrong file path, and a complete removal ensures that the new installation is correctly indexed by the operating system. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for Quartz Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. Review options for a smoother Windows environment by consulting the diagnostic kit linked below for Quartz library references. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Quartz Library and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.